All right.
All right, go in the
There's a
stall.
step down.
My Christmas present.
I got it in the back of the truck now.
Oh my gosh, in the back of the truck. What could it be? What could it be?
You really don't know where you're pointing that camera.
I don't.
All right, down the hill.
Gosh, it's hot outside.
I know.
I feel like Christmas.
All right, stop right there. Open your eyes.
25 bags of topsoil.
And 2 pallets too.
That's all I ever want. Best Christmas ever. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, Mama.
Topsoil. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Scott's topsoil, premium topsoil. All right, let's bust them out and get to work. No time like the present.
Sounds good on it.
Let's get started with this gardening season. 2026, here we come.
We don't even have anything to pot with that soil just yet. We got to get flowers first.
Okay, yeah. You're right. Here I am jumping the gun. Just excited about it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Cooper got me this, well, it's upside down, Greenworks battery leaf blower. He's putting it together for me, so I'm excited about that. I love a leaf blower, and the one that we have is gas. I mean, it does a good job, but I can't hardly crank it. So I'm really excited about this.
Got this battery charging.
Yeah.
Half run time.
Oh,
is what it
really?
said on the box.
Plenty of time for
We
me.
might need to do some testing.
Yeah, I'm gonna test it out this morning, first thing.
Well, I hope the battery came a little bit charged.
Maybe it did.
Feels heavy like
We'll
it.
see. My first use with the Greenworks. It is lightweight. I'm not really strong in my arms, but this is very easy for me to hold. Did I run out of juice?
I think it is running out of battery.
That's perfect. Thanks, Cooper. I
You're
love
welcome.
it.
You're You got a lot of work to do.
I know.
A lot of work.
Oh, that's how you rotate it back like that, and it keeps the trigger pulled.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's perfect. All right, let's go charge this baby up. Get a good charge on it.